Okay, good evening. I want to show you our new Solar Tax Max Energy Banking Calculator for our Solar Pros. It is at the Solar Pros page. If you know about us, Solar Tax Max helps homeowners collect extra 10 to 40% solar incentives above the 30% tax credit. I'm Anthony Matthew. In order for you to join our team, we have 3 easy steps. One, you choose your membership. You can either go with the new limited time free membership, where you get access to the Solar Tax Max training course, which is what you need to do is complete that course. And then after the course, you'll book a call and practice implementing the strategies. So of the 2 memberships, again, we have the free membership, or we have the Race to 100 sales per month. This is for teams of 5 or more. We give you full access to your entire team, and we do private team calls, and we do a bunch of other things to make sure you get to 100 sales per month as quickly as possible. Here we have a case study, 5 minutes, talks about a little bit about what we're going to talk about today. And then we have the Race to 100 with over 15 different strategies in there to help you get ahead. And we also have some solar dealer testimonials here. And then we go to the Solar Tax Max Energy Banking Calculator. So the first thing we need to do is calculate what the homeowner's solar costs are. So if we go into Solo, we have this homeowner here in, let's see where he is, Boca Raton, Florida. And he got a big, beautiful new house. Friend of mine that's a CPA. And he basically needs a bunch of panels and wants a battery and, spending $350 a month, but wants to overproduce because of his electric vehicles. And, we're going to get him a solar system. We're going to charge him cash, but we believe now that the best use of your money is to go into either your cash or a no dealer fee as good as cash and finance it at 10 to 12%. And I'll go into that. So we're going to calculate his extra Solar Tax Max incentives and include that in here. And his net cost on a $98,000 system is going to be roughly half price. So what we do is we go to the calculator, and this guy's earning $250,000 a year. 98,442 is his solar system cost. And so, oops, 50,000. And so he's going to have a net solar cost of around 50,000. And now here's where it gets interesting. We can put in the inflation rate, which, you can put whatever you want. I like it at 6.5. And this guy has a $350 electric bill, and he also has a $350 auto fuel bill. He's not going to have any solar loan payment, and his rate of interest is 10%. Okay, so when I hit that button, we can just show the homeowner, hey, would you agree that you're paying $8,400 a year? 700 times 700. 700 times 12 is 8,400. And that's going to rise with inflation. So in 10 years, you will have spent $130,000 on energy expenses. Now, if you were to take that same amount of money and invest it at 10%, you could have $225,000 saved. So, Mr. Homeowner, which column would you rather have? And they'll say, oh, obviously I want the green one. Okay, well, it's time to go solar. And if somebody says, well, I don't really trust these numbers. Well, okay, no problem. Let's click the download button. Go up here and open that file. You can email it to them. You have a copy, they have a copy. And it goes right into the details. The electric bill, the auto fuel bill, the total of the two, and the cumulative amount every year. So in year 10, $129,000 will be spent on energy. Or you can take that money, invest it in the stock market at 10%, and have in year 10, $225,000. Which one would you like to do? It goes year by year, and then 10, 25, 50. 100 years from now, this guy could be a billionaire. Compound interest. Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world. That's exactly why. Okay. So now if you have a problem with the homeowner and they have questions, click the phone a friend button, fill out the form here. And after you fill out this form, you can give us a call. And this is a sticky form, so all this information will be filled out. You just need to give us a little bit of information about the client, so we have it booked in our system. Now, when you close that sale and you sign that contract, we need you to hit record a sale. When you record a sale, you're going to give us the homeowner's information, same as before, but you're going to upload the solar contract and the net metering agreement if you have it. Okay. And then that will prompt us to do a welcome call. Welcome call is very important. We need to engage that customer immediately and start talking to them. If you just need to book a call with us and ask more questions at any time, you can do that. Okay. Now that is the power of energy banking. In 1 minute, you could be showing somebody their lifetime energy expenses versus taking that money, putting it in the bank. So that's what we have for today. If you'd like to be working with us again, make sure to pick your membership, complete the training. As soon as you click that, you'll get access to a training course module inside of our Go High Level. Complete that training, takes about 30 minutes. And then after that, you'll be prompted to book a call with us so we could start the training process and get you implemented. We'll either do a private team training for larger groups, or if you're an individual or under 5 people, we do a weekly call at 6:30 p.m. Eastern time. You can ask all the questions you need there. We also have some really cool new stuff coming out with the Race to 100 program. We're waiting on some IRS guidance, but we are going to really revolutionize things. And we look forward to working with you. So thanks and have a great day.